How to report and delete someone's Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can report as well as also delete someone's Facebook account, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you're having issues with some person or with a spam page or a spam account and then they're spamming you constantly, you would like to report and also make sure that you delete their Facebook account. Now here are the possible things you have to understand. Now let us get on to the reporting. So let's say I go to Facebook. I will select any profile here. Now I don't have anything against this person, by the way. I'm only showing it for the tutorial and educational purposes only. So if you'd like to report this particular person, you have to tap the three dots option right over here, and when you tap on the three dots you'll find the option called report profile, so tap on it. Now you can report this for any reasons, that if they're harassing you or they're posting spammy content or whatever else the reason is. The reporting is up to you, but deleting their account is up to Facebook. So reporting is in your control, and now Facebook is going to review what kind of profile they have, and if many people report it, of course they're going to take actions, but deleting it or not is actually up to Facebook. Sometimes Facebook could just issue a warning to that person. Sometimes it could take legal actions and delete their account as well. Deleting is not totally up to us, it's totally up to Facebook. But of course what we can do is we can ask our friends and families to report this particular profile if we believe that they are of a spammy behavior or something like that. But deleting is, of course, you have to understand that as a user of Facebook, it's not up to us, but it's up to Facebook themselves whether they would like to delete that account or not. So hope this video cleared the confusion. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.